Alam niyo ba nung isang araw, feeling ko muntik na ako madeds at yung tumulong sa akin ay itong Apple Watch na to. So, kukwento ko sa inyo. So, ang nangyari, 2 a.m., may nakuha akong alert, parang elevated heart rate, something like that. So, yun yung lumalabas dito. Kasi sinusuot ko to pag natutulog ako eh. Tapos, ang nangyari, nag-take kami ng blood pressure ng misis ko para sa akin and 160 something, sobrang taas. So, ending, nagbihis kami, pumunta kami ER, tinake ulit yung blood pressure ko. Hala, 200 plus na pala siya, which is very, very dangerous and it could lead to not so nice things without medication and intervention. So, long story short, na-IV ako, they put me in the ER, lahat ng mga medication to lower blood pressure, at kung ano-ano pa. I won't get into all the details, but at the end of the day, I am very thankful na suot ko tong relos na to nung nangyari yung episode na yun. And napakalaking bagay niya. So, Apple Watch, Steve Jobs, kung nasan ka man, maraming salamat. Now, it got me into thinking, ano ba yung mga different gadgets na meron ako on a daily basis and ano ba yung mas-share ko sa inyong okay sa kanila, no? From a more of a health perspective. Ngayon, hindi ako sobrang healthy tao. I try to be, lalong-lalo na ngayon. Pero ito yung mga natutunan ko. Unang-una sa lahat, yun nga, smart trackers or smart fitness trackers like watches or yung mga bands or yung mga smart rings, napakalaking tulong na pwede maibigay niyan sa inyo. Kung diabetic kayo, meron pa nga yung kinakabit dito sa arm para matrack yung glucose levels ninyo on a regular basis. Ang galing lang talaga how technology has gone a long way and how it has impacted the way we live, especially when it comes to health and fitness. So yun yung una, yung Apple Watch. Yung pangalawa, ito, hindi naman to super healthy, pero dapat kasi uminom tayo sobrang daming tubig. Ngayon, ewan ko kung napapansin ninyo, madalas ako mag-shoot ng reels. Ang pinag-shoot ko ng reels, ito yun. Ito yung iPhone, ikakabit ko dyan. Toink! So, magnetic water bottle lang siya. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done of allowing me to create content. Also, it allows me to drink a lot of liquid. Sinabi ng doktor that I should be drinking more. So, yan yung pangalawa na I think is something that's really nice to have. Obviously, a smartphone, it doesn't have to be an iPhone, but any smartphone that has a lot of applications that you can use to monitor your health, your fitness, what you eat, etc., etc., napakalaking bagay din yan. Now, another gadget na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na I feel like nakakatulong, I'm a firm believer na what you hear can really make a lot of difference in your overall mood. So, napakalaking bagay na meron tayong earphones, lalong-lalo na yung mga noise-canceling earphones. So, this is the one that I currently have, which is yung Apple AirPods Pro 4. I think, yun yata yung tawag sa kanya. And it is just something that I use regularly, especially if you want to chill, if you want to relax. If papunta ka na dun sa place na gusto mo nang matulog, napakalaking bagay. Also, if you are walking or working out, may built-in heart rate sensor pala to. Hindi ko alam yun. Nalaman ko lang yun nung pumunta akong Singapore a few weeks ago, tapos tinest ko siya, tapos kunento sa akin ng kaibigan ko na meron palang heart rate sensor itong AirPods na to. Now, there are more gadgets I can talk about. Meron tayong mga laptops, katulad nito, which is the ThinkPad. But ultimately, I guess my main point in creating this video is I just wanted to share with you guys na technology can be fun, technology can be exciting, technology can be something that you play with, lalong-lalo na inisip nyo, usually siguro games and entertainment, but they can also be life-saving. So, my suggestion, take a look at it, take a look at all the different applications and gadgets out there that can impact and help health, kasi at the end of the day, nandiyan na siya, they're a blessing, and we should make the most out of them. Hindi ako binayaran ni Apple para gawin tong video na to, pero sabihin ko na rin, Apple, baka naman.